Metal is back, baby! The OnePlus Nord 4 is a throwback to the good old days of unibody smartphones. With the rear and sides composed of a single piece of aluminium, this thing is solid. Weighing in at 200 grams, it's a little heavier than average, but it manages to be the slimmest OnePlus Nord yet at just 7.99mm thick. Under the hood, you've got the brand new Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, either 12GB or 16GB of RAM, and up to 512GB of expandable storage. There's also a massive 5,500 mAh battery that lasted over 25 hours in our in-house testing. When you do manage to exhaust the battery, it charges up again super fast with 100 watts charging. OnePlus claims it can go from 0 to 100% in just 28 minutes. The 6.74-inch AMOLED display is crisp and smooth with a 120Hz refresh rate. OnePlus has even brought back its Aqua Touch feature, which detects raindrops on the screen and adjusts the touch sensitivity accordingly. And don't worry, it's IP65 rated for water and dust resistance too. The camera setup is solid, a 50MP f1.8 main camera and an 8MP f2.2 ultra-wide. Selfies are handled by a 16MP front camera. There are 3 colours to choose from: Mercurial Silver, Obsidian Midnight and Oasis Green. We're particularly partial to the Mercurial Silver with its laser-etched design, but which do you prefer? The OnePlus Nord 4 starts at £429 for the 256GB model and goes up to £529 for the 512GB version. Pre-orders are open now and it launches on August 8th. So, what do you think? Are you signing up for this metal comeback tour, or should the classics stay in the past?